Let's make some silhouette text. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. I've got this image from pexels.com. You can download it from the link in the description below. First, drag it onto your canvas and zoom in to adjust the focus. Next, let's add the text. Set the font to Nor'Wester. And change the color to brown. To match the tones of the image, grab the eyedropper tool and pick a shade from the mountain. Now let's place the text behind the mountain for some depth. We'll use the magic grab tool to separate the mountain from the background. Just go to Edit, select Magic Grab, choose Click, then select the mountain. This will automatically highlight the element. And hit Grab. Time to add a little flair. Head to the Elements tab. Search for flare and drop one in. Finally, let's add a filter. Go to Edit. Under the Filter section, choose Bronze for a warm, polished look. And there you go. Easy, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips. See you next time!